This week on Ask a Teacher, we answer a question from Joelson. He says, Dear VOA, I am an English learner from Brazil. I want to know the difference between remind and remember. Thank you very much. Hi, Joelson. That is an excellent question. Verb pairs like borrow, lend, come, go, and remind, remember can be tricky for English learners. The verbs remind and remember both involve recalling something, but there is a clear difference in meaning, and they have different sentence structures. Remember means to keep a person or thing in your mind or to bring a person or thing back to your mind. Think of remember as the opposite of forget. Listen to some examples.
I just remembered I left the water on.
Remember to bring a lock to store your belongings.
In the first example, notice that remember is followed by a clause. In the second, it is followed by an infinitive, also known as to plus verb. Remember can also be followed by a noun that ends in ing, as in, I remember leaving the water on. Now let's talk about remind. Remind means to cause someone else to remember something. In other words, a person can make sure someone else does not forget something. Listen to an example.
Can you remind him to buy more cat food? We ran out.
When we use remind this way, the verb is followed by an object. In this case, the object is him. Another way we use remind is to say that a similarity causes us to think of someone or something. Listen to an example.
That actor reminds me so much of my brother. They have the same eyes and laugh.
When we use remind this way, we always include the word of. And that's Ask a Teacher for this week. I'm Alice Bryant.